Hello there, I'm your host, Hans Sonnenberg.
Welcome to Voices of Resilience, a podcast where we honor the journeys of refugees past and present. Today, I want to share a personal story that holds a special place in my heart. It's a tale of strength, unity, and hope that transcends time and resonates with the experiences of refugees around the world today. I remember a time when my family and I sought refuge, finding solace in a camp that became our temporary sanctuary. The challenges we faced seemed insurmountable, but through the unwavering love and support of my family, we discovered a resilience that carried us through each day with unwavering determination. One day, my mother, with her adventurous spirit, took us on an unexpected journey to the vibrant streets of West Berlin. Amidst the opulence of a department store, we found ourselves immersed in a world of luxury and excitement, a stark contrast to the hardships we endured in the camp. It was in these moments that my mother's laughter brought joy and wonder, casting a light in the darkness of our reality. Yet it was the small acts of kindness that left the deepest impressions on our hearts. Every Monday, a supply truck would arrive at the camp, delivering crates of fresh fruit donated by compassionate souls. The colorful fruit symbolized unity and gratitude, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, there was room for kindness and appreciation. As we stood in line, waiting to receive our share of fruits, a sense of community and togetherness enveloped us, transcending our circumstances. The simple act of receiving those fruits became a beacon of hope and generosity, a reminder that we were not alone in our struggles. As I reflect on the story and the resilience we displayed in the face of adversity, I am reminded of the countless refugees around the world today who are embarking on similar journeys. The challenges they face may differ, but the essence of hope, unity, and kindness remains universal. In sharing this story, I hope to amplify the voices of refugees past and present, honoring their strength and resilience in the face of unimaginable hardships. Together, let us weave a tapestry of hope and courage, bridging generations and cultures through shared experiences of perseverance and humanity. You can learn more about remembrance and resilience by reading or listening to my autobiography, Embracing Adversity, A Life Torn and Rebuilt, available on Amazon. Stay inspired, stay compassionate, and keep spreading love wherever you go. Thank you for joining me on my podcast. Thank you and goodbye.